Hey folks, Drew from Mocksi back again in the garage. I'm really excited to jump into a really cool new product playground for you today. So my boy Neil just tipped me off to this product playground for a company called Flexile. Flexile is about supporting flexible work relationships. So you can see from the landing page, you scroll down, you can kind of get a feeling for what the app does through these videos and GIFs. Very neat stuff. Shout out to Sid at Circle. So if you come over here to the product playground, it does everything you want it to do. You can look at the app from a bunch of different angles, whether you're an admin running the account or one of the workers. We'll go ahead and start out with Sahil's account. Shout out to Gumroad. I've worked with companies that worked with casual workers before, and most often in healthcare and in-home nurse care. So we're going to go ahead and reskin Flexile to reflect one of these in-home nurse care companies. Go ahead and open up Mocksi here, and we can start to create our demo. And our customer will be Nest. Got our demo here, we can edit it. With our new single select capability, we can just go ahead and swap out logos here. Personalization capability. Now we want to go ahead and replace anywhere that's going to say Gumroad Demo throughout the rest of the app. Find Gumroad Demo and replace it everywhere with Nest. Have it up there. Or clicking down into documents. Now, an in-home nurse care company might have consulting agreements, but they might have different types of documentation. So we're going to go ahead and update these. Here we'll open up our AI chat prompt. Now you can see all kinds of different types of employment contract, from flexible nursing services agreement to home care nurse contract. Pretty good. So one thing that we can also do is quickly update the names of the folks on the page. There we go. Now we even have a built-in dad joke for our demo. Roles, of course, are also a bit out of line for what we're expecting. So we'll go ahead and update them. We can even add a couple more roles. And there they are. Popping down to the analytics page, these could be Nest numbers, but let's make it really sing for this demo. First, we'll update the financial analytics. So it took that a little literally and made all income 31,000. It's best to guess at the average. So we're going to go ahead and ask it to vary that up a bit. And make sure everything's tabulated correctly. There we go. Once we've polished up our demo exactly how we want it, we can go ahead and hit play. From here, we can give our demo. And click around. Show off different parts of the app, and talk about the customer's pain point. And all the capabilities of the app still work. So that's it. Another demo of Mocksi demoing a demo. Thanks so much to the Flexile team for making your awesome product playground available. Thanks to Sahil for posting a tweet about it, for my boy Neil for letting me know. Let us know what you want to see next. We're excited to break down more apps, create more custom demos, and show you everything that Mocksi can do. If you're interested in joining the Mocksi closed beta, go ahead and check out this link or use the QR code on your screen. Thanks so much.